To install the plugins for Electrical Bid Manager from the main screen in PlanSwift, just click on the Plugins tab and allow a couple seconds for the screen to populate. You'll want to go to the Electrical section, and then you'll see the icon for Electrical Bid Manager integration. Just go ahead and click on that. You'll want to be signed into the PlanSwift online store. If you haven't created an account for the online store, you'll have an opportunity to do that here, but just go ahead and get signed in, and once you're signed in, go ahead and click on the Get Free Now button and click on Download. You'll see that you have successfully created your account to be able to do the download. And go ahead and just open the package so that it can install. You'll get a prompt that PlanSwift will need to be restarted once the installation is complete. Click on the Next button. Agree to their terms. Click on Next. And then close. And then once the install is done, go ahead and reopen PlanSwift. And you'll see that the Electrical Bid Manager icons for drops, runs, and elbows are available, indicating that you've installed the plugins.